Hey guys, in this video I want to show you something that I noticed in between the desktop version of DaVinci Resolve and the iPad version. And in particular, I'm talking about the in and out point buttons missing in the cut page. And I just want to clarify, maybe this issue is just on my end. Please let me know in the comments if you have the same issue. So if I go here into my desktop, DaVinci Resolve, and I open the cut page, and I'm at the latest version that is available right now, and this is DaVinci Resolve Studio. If I click here, for example, I'm in the timeline. And in the timeline, you see these two buttons, in point and out point. When I go into my media pool and I open any clip, and now I see the clip here, these two buttons are missing. But the funny is, if I go to the edit page and I do the exact same, I open a clip here, I see the in and out point here. And if I go to my iPad, that's even worse, or not worse, it's even more confusing. If I'm in the edit page, I can click on something, I see the in and out point. If I go to the cut page and I click on anything, I have the in and out point. I can actually select this. So you can always use in and out point with your keyboard shortcuts, I and O. That also works, of course. This is how I still do it. But I was kind of curious because I knew for a fact when I was recording some videos for my masterclass that in the past there was an in and out point, same like here on the iPad for the cut page, also in the desktop version. But somehow, since a couple of updates, I don't know exactly when this happened, these two buttons are gone, at least on my DaVinci Resolve. So please let me know in the comments if this is the same for your DaVinci Resolve on the desktop. It's kind of strange. Maybe there's a setting issue. Please let me know if you know an answer for that one, but I don't have these in and out points. And it's not that I did something weirdly and then it happened. No, even if after restarting, this is now how my DaVinci Resolve is. And I actually wrote a customer email to the customers, an email to Blackmagic support. Hey guys, I just noticed that since there are a couple of updates, the desktop version of DaVinci Resolve, the buttons for setting the in and out point in the preview window is missing. In the edit page, the two buttons are there. Are available. So fun fact, on the iPad version, these two buttons are available in the cut page, but just on the desktop version, they are missing in the cut page. So I wrote this a couple of days ago, and today I got an answer here. Hi, Daniel. I think the answer is from Charlotte. So, hey Daniel, thank you for contacting the Blackmagic support team. In regards of the behavior you have mentioned, can you please provide screenshots of the buttons and see in the cut page and see in the edit page? I already did these screenshots. I will send them over together with this video because maybe the screenshots are not enough. So that's why I made the video. And I also wanted to know, maybe I only have this problem. I would also be useful to, if you could provide me with some of the DaVinci Resolve diagnostic logs from the system you have been using. It is important that these are generated. To be very honest with you, when I was reading this, I was a little bit like, I think I explained myself very well. This is not an issue that happened because I do something. So there's nothing in the log files. This is how DaVinci Resolve is looking on my machine right now after restart. I haven't even edited this video. What you see right now, this is just opening DaVinci Resolve. Haven't done anything. So I don't really see why I should provide any log files. Please, Blackmagic, reach out if this is helpful, why I should provide log files. But I think that this is a standardized answer to pinpoint and help even better customers. I get it. But sometimes if you just open, like, let's say if this issue is not just with my machine, let's say every new version of DaVinci Resolve is the buttons missing, then I think my instructions were very clear. But just in case, I made the video about this one as well. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you use DaVinci Resolve on the desktop. Do you see the buttons? And also on the iPad. Do you see the buttons on the iPad? I guess because I checked on my iPad mini and on my iPad Pro, the buttons are there in that view. So that's it for this video today. Just let me know what you think. I'm Daniel, by the way, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Ciao.